All right, number 7, we are given that 3 minus 4i is a 0, and we want to factor this problem completely. So the fact that 3 minus 4i is a 0 in this complex, we also know that x equals 3 plus 4i is a 0 from the conjugate root theorem. We're going to set both of these as linear factors, meaning we're going to move them to the same side as x. So you would subtract 3, x minus 3, and you would add the 4i. And we're going to do the same thing with this factor. Subtract the 3, and then you would subtract the 4i since it's positive. And this is our linear factor. I'm going to multiply this together. We're going to get a quadratic, and then we're going to do long division. So I'm going to do x times each of these in the other parentheses. I'm going to do negative 3 times each of these, and then the positive 4i. X times x, we get x squared. X times negative 3, negative 3x. X times negative 4i, negative 4xi. All right, done with that one. Negative 3 times x, negative 3x. Now I'm going to line them up with their like term to make it easier to simplify. Negative 3 times negative 3, positive 9. Negative 3 times negative 4i, that will be a positive 12i. Done with that one. And then 4i times x is going to be positive 4xi. 4i times negative 3 is going to give us a negative 12i. 4i times negative 4i, positive 16. No, that's a negative, sorry. Negative 16i squared. Now remember, I squared is a negative 1. Negative times a negative, so this will become positive, and that will go. And so we have a number and number that we will combine. All right, so let's simplify. Bring down x squared, only one of its kind. Bring down negative 6x. These are opposites, they cancel. These are opposites, they also cancel. And then 9 plus 6 gives us a positive 25. All right, so we're going to factor that into x to the 4th minus 11x cubed plus 59x squared minus 149x plus 100. All right, so I have x squared. I need x to the 4th, so I need x squared to go into there. Need 2 more x's. X squared and x squared, x to the 4th. X squared and negative 6x, negative 6x to the 3rd. And then x squared and 25, a positive 25x squared. Change the sign, so negative, positive, this will become negative. This will go to 0. This will give us a negative 5x cubed. And then subtracting these will give us a 4 and a 3, positive 34x squared. Bring down the next term, minus 149x. And then we repeat the process. So I have x squared. I want a negative 5x cubed, so I need a negative 5 out front. I got 2 x's, I need 3, so I just need 1 more. So negative 5x times x squared will give us a negative 5x cubed. And then negative 5x times negative 6 will give us a positive 30x squared. And then negative 5x times 25 will give us a negative 125. Negative 125x. All right, we're going to change the sign. So this becomes positive. This will become negative. This will become positive. This will zero out. This will give us a positive 4x squared. And then subtracting here will give us, so have x, so 4, 2, and it will be negative 24. Bring down 100. All right, and then we want these to equal. So I just need a 4 because the x squared is the same, so a positive 4. And then we'll do 4 times x squared will give us 4x squared. 4 times negative 6 will give us a negative 24x. And 4 times 25 will give us a positive 100. Change the sign, so negative, positive, and negative. And it looks like everything is working out nicely because the last row, since we're done, should all be zeros. They all cancel out. So this is your resulting polynomial, x squared minus 5x plus 4. So we're going to see if we can factor that. So I'm going to bring that down, x squared minus 5x plus 4. And 1 times 4 is 4. Factors of 4 are 1 and 4, 2 and 2. We want to add to get 5, 1 and 4. So 2 sets of parentheses. X in the front of both to separate the x squared. The 1 and 4, the numbers we found that we use in the back. Going left to right, the first sign is your bigger number, so 4 has to be negative. The second sign tells me they're the same sign. So positive means same, negative means different, so both negative. So here is that factor. And we're going to combine that with the factors that we had at the very beginning. So that was x minus 3 plus 4i, and the x minus 3 minus 4i. So these are all the terms completely factored. So x minus 1, x minus 4, x minus 3 minus 4i, and then x minus 3 plus 4i.